So I am at a local compost facility in my city, and I had known that these existed but didn't know that there was one in my city until very recently. But if you have one in your city, it's very likely that since you live in the city, you can come and pick up compost for free or very cheap. They might just have like a $10 fee to load as much as you want. So that is what I am doing. I am loading up on compost to add to my garden, and it is really good stuff. It smells great, and it is extremely hot, so you know that it has been breaking down really well. I'm kind of struggling because I do not have a truck, so I am loading up my car with what I've got, which is banana boxes that I'm lining with bags. I'm sure what's going to end up happening is it's going to make my car very warm because of how hot this is. So, but yeah, I wanted to kind of highlight that these places do exist. You just have to kind of look around and find them in your area and go and pick up free compost that may be better and, of course, affordable or free versus the big box stores. So I got it home, and I've only found a few pieces of trash debris so far, but I wanted to highlight them so you keep an eye out for it, because it can happen, because trash gets mixed in with compost sources. They're generally only little tiny pieces. What I have found so far is this little piece of plastic, and I found a tiny piece of glass. But it's free, so you can only ask so much. But definitely keep an eye out for that sort of thing.